She can do it fast, she can do it slow. Either way, it's gonna be lit. I might have had a few, but ain't had this. What can I say? That's a bad bitch. Better is better when she bad. I know they say that they ain't loyal, but for the dough you get that royalty. Better is better when she bad. I know they say that they ain't loyal, but for the dough you get that royalty.
What's up, my loves, and thank you for coming back for another video. And if you're new here, welcome. We're just gonna start off with a little pool day action and get into the rest of our week. Join me. This water feels so good out here today. I promise you, it's like 100 degrees today, and I'm in the valley. Gotta do my TikToks. I swear I love my pool area. There don't be nobody in here. I just be wildin'. Make sure I get these TikToks. Yes, I've still been going in on my TikTok. I will attach the information in my description box. Please follow me. Enough of the pool for today. Let's get into the shopping haul. What's up, you guys? So I thought I was gonna get my complete Shein order, but I didn't. I only got 2 items, so I'm gonna go over that with you. And then also I got a couple items from that event I went to, the fashion show that I missed, that obviously you guys are going to see in the video, but I have some footage for you. But this is the dress, Shein. I love the color. It's the neckline, and then the back straight across. So I'm going to try that on for you guys. And then, and these are like specifically, look what my dog did. I mean, that quick. And these are specifically for a photo shoot I'm doing tomorrow. And it's going to be like using lights in the studio. Can't tell you too much, but I'm hoping, really I wanted one of the other orders to go with the photo shoot, but I really don't think that I'm going to get it by tomorrow. So this is the other one. Has like ruching and a split right here. I know it kind of looks like lingerie, but not. And that's actually a pretty good look for it. So let's try these two on for you guys to see. And then, like I said, from the event, you know, there's this one. Just gonna see how it fits, because this is a lot of fabric for me, but I love the print. I love everything. I just don't want it to swallow me up, but we'll see. And then I don't know, I just loved this color. Okay, bathing suit. This color is so adorable to me. So we'll try that on. We won't show too much. And then there's this one. Totally not my style. And you'll see what the style was for the photo shoot. I mean, for the event that I went to, for the fashion show. You'll see it's like a lot of Afrocentric, like stuff like this, and I love it, don't get me wrong. It's just, you know, not something I would go like a regular store or online and just purchase, but for sure I absolutely love it. I hope I can find them. Stop chewing on my clothes. So let's see that. Like I said, you know, I like to step outside of my comfort zone. And then you want things for every event you can go to. So, and I think it's super pretty. It's just like I said, just outside of my little comfort zone. But talking to somebody who does 2 pieces and call it a day. Anyway, so let's get into it. Okay. I love it. Take these socks off. Can you back up, dude? Super cute. It's like 3/4. Super cute. Okay, guys. So I know at first glance this looks like really plain, right? Does it? I mean, it's like really cutesy, really girly. Look at the detail, the lace, fits really well, very comfortable. I feel like it's kind of forgiving because I'm kind of bloated and I still don't feel like super fat. Really conforms to your shape. Then, boom, we got the little, okay, with the lace. Then, boom. Check that out. Like, come on. Then, hold on. This is super cute, guys. Like, look at that. This is super cute. And I'm just so into soft girl, cutesy. Like, look, so cute, accessorized down, okay? What? All kind of different shapes, flirty things that you can do for the photo shoot. The other dress wasn't, like, I couldn't move in it. Silhouette was really pretty, but I couldn't really move. So I'm not gonna show y'all too much, but whoever made this don't know how to sew. Whoever made this do not know how to sew. It's like really bad. Nothing fits. Nothing. Yeah. So this is the dress. Yes, it's a split right here. You can make it sexy. Or maybe I will wear this to church. Or maybe like, I don't know, I don't even want to say a festival because this is... I guess when something's not really your style, you gotta like really put it together with where you're going, your accessories, everything. So I promise you, I'm not saying anything bad. It's just not my typical style, but try that. Pretty. The design is pretty. Okay, so the prime example, this one's not my style, but I think this is super pretty. Like, super. Like, I just think it is so pretty. I think the colors I like better, the blues. I don't know. It's just super pretty to me. Super long. It drags. I love this. To the right event, oh my gosh, this is gonna be like so pretty. I like how it like tucks your boobs, like really nice. Like this is a really nice cleavage right here. I promise you. This is super pretty. I love this one. What's up, guys? You can't see me. It's kind of dark in here. But we are at the photo shoot. Do the first look. Look at that. I'm not gonna probably film continuously because I really want to play the music. But I don't know. Needs a few drops over here. Got a little dressing room right here. fun. I didn't really record in the water and stuff. Kind of mad, but the music, it's like it's playing right now. There we go. I had to turn the music off for 1 second so I could talk to y'all. But the shoot was amazing. It was so dope. In the water, I got on the ground. I'm gonna show y'all some pictures, of course. But it was really cool. It was really dope.
How do I flip this roll? Hold on a second.
Yeah, fire. Fire.
So funny. He think he gotta go in there. Uncle's here. You don't gotta go in there, honey. So it's kind of dark in here because we're headed out. We're gonna go to the gym this morning, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. We're gonna like film. We'll see how busy it is in here because that's really gonna determine what I'm able to do. I don't be giving up about who's seeing me record. It's just the space I'm able to have. We're gonna do all black with my new shoes. That orange is so hard to match. We're gonna try and get it right next time. But yeah, I got my water and my other water because I know I'm gonna go through that one. And then I have my stand for my phone. You know what? I'm halfway thinking maybe I should bring the other stand because I gotta do some TikToks too. But you know what? I'm not gonna make it hard on myself because this one can just run and then the other one I could put on the stand. You know what? We can bring this one just in case we need it. Yeah. That's what we can do for sure. You know what? I got this little bag from, I think, Goodwill. But it just works so good. And then look, it really matches me today. All right. And we are out. And Bentley, Mommy will be right back, okay? Is it say hi to YouTube? He said hi. All right, I'll see you guys there. There's nothing in this world that I wouldn't do. It could be your girl. Zagaza, zagaga. There's nothing in this world. I could be your girl. bus pass on your mustache? Can you afford this? We're gonna do 45s. You guys can't really see me, but I hope you can. Money for show. Running the house. Little house. It's been so long. Be gone, so hold on. You guys couldn't really see, but that's just because I only brought this one. But when I do this one over here and a couple of the other ones, you'll be able to see. Because I just did a rep on 70 and didn't really do nothing. So let's go up a tad. I'm recording TikToks, YouTube, doing snaps, stories, everything. You just gotta tune out people. Worry about what you're doing. You're doing it for a reason. You give a fuck who looking. Dancing and all, okay? Let's get into it. Let's get into it. I hope you can see because I just brought my lower. I want you to, I want you to, yes I do. videos, I dropped my camera. I thought it broke. I broke my stand. Ain't that a bitch? But it still works as like a handheld. I should have brought my other stand for the camera anyway. I don't know why I was playing. But I was doing, yeah, 145. And that's a wrap, guys. Sorry you didn't get to see the last two machines. I really dropped my camera, but I'm glad it didn't break. And we're going to call it a day on this little vloggy vlog. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for joining me. Please like, comment, subscribe.